Hi! Thank you for this opportunity. I believe I'm a great fit for this role because my skill and experience align perfectly with what you're looking for, bookkeeper. With 2 years in project management, I've been successful lead teams to deliver result on time and under budget. With what set me apart are my unique qualities. First, my ability is to finish my work at the right time, turn challenge into solutions with creative problem solving. Second, I bring teamwork to collaborate seamlessly with diverse team, valuing different perspective to drive success, a collaborative mindset that foster teamwork and innovation. And I'm not just here to meet expectation. I'm here to raise the bar and contribute to your team success. Thank you.